मेरा नाम मानसी है। मैं इंग्लिश बोलना चाहती हूँ बट समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कहाँ से शुरू करूँ। कोई मुझे बताएगा चैनलों के बारे में? यस, आई हैव आइडिया। लेट्स सर्च समथिंग।
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Well, my name is Mansi and today's video is going to be a very interesting, and first thing is that thank you so much to click this video. Okay, so watch this video till the end because this video is going to be a very helpful, very beneficial for you. You know what? Why? Because today I'm going to share you 5 beautiful channels which can help you a lot to improve your English, which can help you a lot to enhance your vocabulary and just give the tips, trick, all things to become a native speaker. So watch this video. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, let's get started without wasting any single minute. Just watch it. What guys, the English is a problem to each and every person who are learning this language. Okay, who are just thinking, no, now I have to start this journey. So in the starting time, they all are facing. Am I right? Okay, that is the things happen to each and everyone. This is not your only problem. This problem to everyone. Okay, those people really wants to learn this language. So don't take a too much stress over your head because this is only language. Just treat like this language as your native language. Okay, but what do you have to do and what we don't have to do? By the way, topic is not that. Topic is that the 5 channel which can really help you a lot. So guys, the first channel I would like to share here is talking about the English conversations. What the name of this channel? English conversation. Yes, you know what, this channel is really helpful to you. Okay, because in this channel we can watch lots of concept regarding the conversation, which conversation we are using in our daily life. Okay, we are making a conversations like way as like today we have to go to the shopping center and which things I have to ask, which things I have to buy. These all are things we can learn by this video. Okay, so suppose that if you don't want to visit this channel like the English conversation, just search only English conversations, the daily basic life. Then you can find a different types of videos, and which video you like most you can just watch. Okay, and these all are things help you a lot. I know very well in starting time when you are beginner, you don't have any idea about the any word, you don't have any idea about the any structure, then how can it be suitable for you? So of course I can agree with these things, but when you watching these all are things, the one environment is created in your mind. Okay, so when because atmosphere is very important. Okay, when you create any atmosphere in your mind, so your mind always start the working like way, always start the thinking like way, always start to show yourself like a way. So a first priority is that you should give the direction of your mind. No, you have to catch this thing, you have to watch these things, you have to cover these things, and the one most important things, you have to observe. It doesn't matter do you want to understand the things, and you don't want to understand these things. The matter is that just set to your mind, you have to improve yourself. No, you are capable for learn this language also, not only your native language but also any language which I want to learn, you can learn this. So please just make sure, give that tricks and tips of your mind. No, you can do this. That's why I am suggesting this channel to you. The channel name is thus English Conversation. In this channels we find a lots of videos like a shoppings, like a airport conversation, like a restaurant conversation, like a zoo conversation, like a anywhere which you want to go and you don't have any idea about the word, you don't have any idea about the sentences, then you find out, oh, I see this sentence I can use. Okay, you know what, when you are a child, okay, when you are child and the first question is that everybody asks to you, what is your name? Just imagine that on that time, can we know that things, where from where to come, what from where to come is from where to come name? No, first we listen what the asked someone, and the someone asking to me, what is your name? Then they just told me, no, that is the means of that, you have to tell your name. Okay, on that time we don't have any idea about the concept, we don't have any idea about the word meaning, but we learn this sentence, what is your name, and we are able to give the perfect answer on that questions. Okay, that the things in starting time you have to do, you have to just indicate your mind, no, you should learn this language, and you have to, and you are capable. Because you know what, in starting time we are unable to find out. Okay, we are unable to motivate ourselves. That's why I'm saying to you. So the first thing, English conversation, that is a good thing. Okay, about the second channel which is gonna really help you a lot. This is very advanced channel. You can learn English by the help of this channel. Okay, the channel name is that English speeches. English speeches. You know what, in this channel we find out there's a lot of celebrities, there is a lot of high profile actors, high profile personalities come here and to speak and tell their autobiography, tell their biography, tell the lots of thing about tell the lots of thing regarding their life. So that the things really help me a lot. If you are fond of to watching the celebrities, to watching the lots of things about their life, about their personality, so I think this channel is going to be a good for you. This channel is going to be a very beneficial for you, because you are fond of to learning the autobiography, to learning the biography, to learning the lots of things about the personality, whose personality you like most. Because you know what, as I like a Shraddha Kapoor, I really like her. So when the Shraddha Kapoor came his channel, and when I watched, and I just learned a lot of words, I just learned a lots of things. Okay, because my interest in Shraddha Kapoor, and if you're interested to someone, so of course you can find that the people always search the words by the help of that the people. And if you are unable to capture, if you are unable to observe what is the exact means of that, so please pause your video on that time, search on YouTube what is the mean, search of Google what is the means of that word, then this is very easy for you to understand what the others saying in front of to you. That the things I'm going to share you. Okay, so second channel is really helpful for you. The second channel, what I'm saying, English speeches. Okay, sometimes you find out the speeches are very good for you, because if you join any institute and they are, if you, the tutor give you a speech, no, you have to cover this speech and you have to tell tomorrow, then you have a best option to describe your words, just describe your feelings, and you can. So of course this channel is also useful for you, the English speeches. And I also watch this channel. I also watch this channel. Okay, not for before, nowadays I'm also watching, because this channel are really helpful for me, and I really like it. Okay, now we talk about the another channels. You know what, sometimes we feel bored, we don't want to learn anything, so we just think like that, no, I have to learn, and but not a boring way. So you have a one third option. Another option is that the cartoons, English cartoons. I would like to suggest the one cartoon name. You know what? I really like a Doraemon. Okay. Now everybody watch Doraemon in Hindi, but you have a option. You can learn. You can watch this Doraemon with the English. I know not a number of dramas available on the English in English, but yeah, you can watch at least 20 videos Doraemon in English. Okay, just watch multi
I'm sorry,
times.
please allow me
Don't
to
watch,
introduce
no,
myself.
you are just you don't think, no, I have watched these things, so no need to watch again. Need to watch this then, you need to. So please watch again and again. Which things do you want to watch it? Cartoon. So cartoons also helps a lot. So Doraemon, and the one the cartoon name is Samosa. Do you like samosa? By the way, English of samosa it's called to resolve, and samosa is also a cartoon name. You can also watch this. So this cartoon is totally in English. Okay, Hindi also available, but we all are we all are not a child, so that's not suit to me. No, I have to watch cartoons in Hindi, but you, if you watch this cartoon in English, of course this totally suit on you. You wouldn't feel a bore on that time. And the second thing is that you on that time you are learning a lots of words by the help of cartoons. And one thing I would like to share here, cartoons, in cartoons always in cartoons character always using a very simple and basic English. Okay, very simple and basic English they are using, because they know very well the cartoons, who watch cartoons, the children watch cartoons. So and when you are was, so not for you, but you are learning this language. That's why this is very easy trick for you to improve yourself. Okay, and you can easily get to understand what the cartoons character are saying in front of to you, and you will enjoy also. You don't feel like that no, this is not my language. You feel like no, this is my language, because when you look at anything as a visualization, as a picturization, so of course you will be now. So of course try this techniques. Now we talk about the fourth channel which is really help you a lot. The fourth channel name is of podcast with English. Okay, English with podcast. You know what, podcast is also very important. On in a podcast we are talking about a different way. We are talking about two different things, so we can listen only. If we are going anywhere and we don't have time to watch something, then of course this is good for us. We just go there and just put up the lid on our ear, and just listen whatever we want to listen. So that is also a good thing for you. So this channel also useful for you. You can listen whatever you want to listen by the help of the podcast. And they are also using a very simple word. We can understand these all are words easily. And if you really want to watch, then you can also watch it with the help of the subtitle. When you find out the difficulties to understand the words what the other are saying, so of course you can watch, you can just look at the subtitle also. These techniques also help you a lot. That's the things I'm saying to you. So just start working like way. Now the fifth step I would like to share here, fifth channel I would like to share here. Before the sharing, just if you are new in my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, because these all are video for you. So if this video is for you, so of course you should na itna to wo karna chahiye na. So please don't forget to subscribe. And one thing is that my humble request to all of you, if this video is useful for you, so please let me know in the comment section. I really waiting of your comment, because I really enjoyed when someone give me a comment, when someone give me anything. And if any wrong in this video, then you can also suggest to me, then you can also tell to me no, this is your mistake, you don't have to use these all of words in this conversation in this video. So of course you are able to, and you can do this. So guys, if you watch the dramas, if you like to watch a dramas, if you love to watch a drama, so what do you have to do? Is there any drama? Do you want to watch it in free? Because you know what, there's a lot of web series available on a YouTube, but we cannot watch just because of the money. Okay, we have to spend the money, then we can watch an English web series. So no, I have a web series for you. I have a best dramas for you. You can watch this drama with the help of TV serial. Okay, so the channel name is the Learn English with TV serial. This channel motive is that to sorry, this channel is only one motive, to learn English. Okay, that's why the name of this channel, Learn English with the TV serial. So in this channel you can visit and you just watch it, and you can enjoy also, because they all are characters just make me understand what the means of that word, what the means of that concept, what the means of that structures, and they're showing a full drama, okay, on the screen. So that is very easiest way to learn English. Okay, so please must watch this video, must watch the channel also. You can improve yourself. Okay, and that is really a good thing for you if you really want to become a fluent speaker. So please, that my humble request to all of you, just watch these all channels. And I'm not promoting you, okay, I'm not promoting these all channels, because they are also lots of viewers, lots of subscribers, so they don't need to anyone. If you need to that types of channels, of course you can visit. Okay, so please don't think I'm promoting this channel. No, I'm not promoting this channel, because in channel ko mere promotion ki zarurat nahi hai. I have to promote myself. Okay, and who can, you can. Okay, so please, if you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let me know in the comment section if anything is wrong. If anything is good, then you can also mention me. And these all also learn my English by the help of these all channels. I never watched the lots of conversational video. Okay, I always watch the drama. I always watch a drama. Yeah, we can watch the, yeah, I can watch the sometime the conversation also, just because of to when we need to any particular topic, then we just watch a conversation video on a topic. So okay, so that the things improve me, and that the things help me a lot also to improve my fluency, to improve my to improve my vocabulary also. You know what, the some second thing I would like to share here, sometimes you find also some difficulties to understand the lines. Okay, that the things happen with us because we are, when we are in a starting time, then we don't have any idea about the vocabulary, we don't have idea about the too much knowledge about the vocabulary. So yeah, these things happen with us, we are unable to find out any meanings, any concept, any under and any lines. So what do you have to do? You just have to listen over and over and just try to understand what the line are saying in front of to you. Able to catch the meaning of that words, of course you should find out the Google and you get your answer. And the most important thing, you can use your chat GPT also. Okay, these are the things you can do. So of course you should try this like way, and if you really want to improve your English fluency, so these are the things very good for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care. Still you are here, so thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, have a good day.